Welcome to this video. The popularity of the Google search engine cannot be denied. So why do we use DuckDuckGo? Because DuckDuckGo is a safe search engine and keeps your personal information secure. How do you feel when you are being watched while using the internet? That's so annoying. If you think so too, then DuckDuckGo is an option for you. DuckDuckGo is a search engine that emphasizes privacy. When you set up your browser to use DuckDuckGo as default. So when you search for anything on your browser, you won't be tracked. Above is how to set DuckDuckGo as the default search engine on popular browsers like Google Chrome, FireFox and Microsoft Edge. When it comes to Google Chrome, you think you can only use the Google search engine. But that's not the case. You can set DuckDuckGo as the default search engine. Likewise, you can set up DuckDuckGo on most popular browsers. DuckDuckGo doesn't track you, your information is safer. Browsers don't know your habits or preferences. And so there will be no ads to bother you. Above are the steps to use DuckDuckGo as the default search engine on Google Chrome, FireFox and Microsoft Edge. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you safety when using the internet.